The two important processes, PMBOK and Prince2. Now, PMBOK, which stands for Project Management Body of Knowledge, is a guide actually which says or which tells how the projects can be managed successfully. And this guide, it has a set of around 44 key processes, 44 more main important processes are there which can be used so for managing a project successfully. Although 44 seems to be a larger number, but this PMBOK guide has split these processes across 9 knowledge areas and 6 important areas of the project. Now, whenever we are talking about a project involves various stages. So, let's say if a project is there, so what could be different things that are associated with their project, how a project is born, and how at last the project is closed. So, the first step we'll say is initiation. Initiation means we are starting something. So let's say that in IT project management also you have taken projects. So okay, some students have taken apps, some have taken web application development, some has taken desktop development, and it can be any. For example, let's take any example. One of the students have taken they are delivering, I think, food delivery app. So now that is the initiation of the project. So you need to define the project, you need to give what the project is, and then what are the aims and objectives of the project. A project cannot be done without any aim and objective. So a project must have an aim, a project must have an objective, and this is applicable to your all the projects. I'm saying all the projects. The next thing about after initiation comes the planning. Planning is very important in all the phases of the project because it is the time that is required for doing a particular thing. Okay, so whenever you are planning, you will be planning based on what amount of time would be required across different stages of the project. And even if you say if you're working and if you're seeing project as a complete one project, then based on that what would be the costing of the project. So this also comes under planning. Resources, everything, these are all under planning. Now the third thing that comes is your executing. Now you have initiated, you have planned. Now what is left? Execute. So execution is the next step. And this is the phase where you will actually take the various tasks. And here you need to take those tasks and activities which are required so that you can deliver the final products. After execution comes the monitoring and controlling. And monitoring and controlling, well, they are the operational, I would say they are the day to day activities of the project manager. So why these are being monitored, why a project is being controlled, so that the project manager can ensure that work is going according to the plan. So that is why monitoring is important, that is why controlling of the activity is important. And after this, the last phase is the closing of the project. Closing of the project means signing off. Signing off means like you log out or sign off from the Google account. So that's why this word sign off. Or you are handing over the project products. So handing over the products means your work has been done. So now you are handing the things. So these are all the stages of the project. After this, in the next video, we will be discussing about Prince2, which is again a very important process in the IT software project management. So thank you. Hope you like this video. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me also. Thank you.